I'm seeing shimmers in these long-lasting dreams. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life, watching paintings dry. I wanna take back the hours we last singing lullabies, lullabies. No one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on night to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine.
Hello. So I just wanted to quickly introduce myself and this video. My name is Lois. I'm a final year student at the University of Glasgow. I'm studying immunology. So this year all of our classes are online. So I decided not to live in Glasgow this year. I am studying remotely. I am based in Dumfries and Galloway, so it's much different to Glasgow life. And it's been quite an adjustment doing our lectures online rather than obviously in person, and there's no lab work or anything. I've got a class from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock on regulatory lymphocytes and peripheral tolerance. I've got to do a bit of planning, a couple little tasks here and there, and hopefully work on the written part of my project. So I'm just going to film a day, keep you updated, see how things go. I've compiled a to-do list of things I want to do today. Okay, so I've got a video rendering from After Effects, a video uploading to YouTube, and a video uploading to OneDrive, which are all going to take a long time. My lecture is in about 45 minutes, so I'm gonna go and grab some dinner.
A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life, watching paintings dry. I wanna take back the hours we last.
Okay, so I'm about to start a lecture. Lecture survival kit with Lois. I've got hot water bottle because I'm very cold. Water, just normal water, in this very pretty Christmas cup. Coffee, also in a very pretty Christmas cup. And I've got some Christmas themed popcorn to enjoy. Blanket. Okay, I'm gonna import the lecture slides into iPad, and that's how I'll take notes. And I'm gonna join it now. Oh, and these glasses as well, because I'm getting a bit of a headache, so they're the blue light ones. So hopefully that stops my head hurting.
Try to filter for last memories. We're stuck in thrillers, wishing for remedies. No one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine.
Okay, that's the lecture finished. I'm gonna nip down to my mum's and take my dog for a walk because I kind of need to leave the house today, or I might go a little bit insane.
I